Hello everyone, hope you all are doing fine. Today's video is going to be really very helpful to lovers of Arduino because in this video I'll be talking about and clearly troubleshooting all the problems concerning how to program Atmega64 and Atmega128 chips. As you all know, these microcontrollers are 64-pin advanced versions of Mega Core, providing lots of input-output pins, and their main advantage is their flash memory size. That is 64 KB of flash memory in Atmega64A and 128 KB of flash memory in Atmega128. One more crucial thing is that both of these microcontrollers have identical pin mapping and input-output configuration. That is, one can easily replace one from another and making only slight changes in software part. These bare microcontroller chips are readily available, but when it comes to the programming part, they seems to be cumbersome. But this video will clarify all the doubts relating to the raised fact. So not wasting time, let's move on and do check the datasheet provided for both of these microcontrollers for in-depth other crucial details that I have not covered. One more important thing that is left unstated is installing Mega Core on your Arduino platform, and that is easy. Just visit GitHub, copy paste URL in the preference tab and search for Mega Core in your Arduino boards manager and install it. And definitely I'm not going to cover this part here, as there are already plenty of videos and tutorials about it. So just moving straight towards the main part. Take out your Uno board and upload Arduino as ISP or Arduino ISP net. Now the interesting part is pin configuration and connectivity. I hope you all have dedicated breakout board for your Atmega64. Here mine is a homemade breakout board containing Atmega64 and Atmega128 chips, pre-soldered with header pins attached. Now connect pin 10 of your Uno to reset pin or pin 20, that is physical pin of Atmega64. Pin 13 of Uno to PB1, that is physical pin 11 of Atmega64. 5 volts output of Uno to VCC, that is physical pin 21 of Atmega64. Ground of Uno to ground, that is physical pin 22 of Atmega64. Pin 11 of Uno to PE0 or RxD0, that is physical pin 2 of Atmega64. Yes, the MISO is going to be connected to PE0 or RxD0. And lastly, pin 12 of Uno to PE1 or TXD0, that is physical pin 3 of Atmega64. One thing to note here that both Atmega64 and Atmega128 has exactly the same pin connectivity, so no extra modification is required. Also, I have used internal clock of Atmega64 or Atmega128, as they both have inbuilt 1 MHz and 8 MHz of internal clock. But if it is preferred, external 16 MHz clock can be easily implemented by connecting 16 MHz crystal oscillator at Axle 1 and Axle 2, that is physical pin 23 and 24 of Atmega64 or Atmega128. As the connections are complete, connect your Uno to your PC and in the Tools menu, open Boards, and inside Mega Core, select Atmega64. Again in Tools menu, check your Uno's USB port and select Clock to internal 8 MHz and Bootloader to no bootloader option and Programmer to Arduino as ISP Mega Core. Now everything is complete, so visit the Tools menu and click on the Burn Bootloader, as our whole connectivity is fully correct. Hence, the screen will automatically show Done Burning Bootloader. Now open the Blink Sketch and upload it. Just upload it as it is in your Atmega64 microcontroller, and here the LED built-in is pin PB5 or the physical pin 15 of Atmega64 or Atmega128, and hence our connected LED is now blinking after successful upload. And now your microcontroller is ready for your every modified sketch. Thus, coming to the end of this video, hope you'll surely enjoy it. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Till then, see you next time.